Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to properly roll a turtleneck. So what does that mean? So traditionally what you would do is you would kind of just fold the actual collar down the way I kind of have it right now. But there's another way to go about it that I kind of like a little bit better than doing this, than doing it this way. So I'm going to show you in the mirror really quickly kind of how I go about it. So oftentimes when you're wearing a turtleneck, I find that throughout the course of the day, I feel like the actual turtleneck will kind of come up like this. I think it looks really dumb. And then sometimes you also have these little, almost these little like pill lines on the actual collar itself, right? And there is a way to get rid of those, but if you happen to be wearing it and you haven't gotten rid of these already, this is the way I like to kind of go about doing it. So what I do is, as opposed to folding it down, what I like to do is I actually like to fold it on the inside. Kind of like this. The reason being is it kind of looks a little bit more seamless. And then another thing is you get to kind of choose the height of the actual turtleneck, right? So it looks a bit more like a mock neck sweater, but you kind of get to determine like how high you want this on your neck. The only caveat to doing it like this is if you look right here, you kind of get that subtle seam. I personally don't mind it. Some guys do, and maybe the roll is a better option for you. But I personally have been wearing it like this just because I think it looks really seamless or really, really sharp. That being said, both ways are correct. But personally, I'm going to be wearing it like this, and it just might be something you want to consider when wearing a turtleneck next. All right, guys. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this way better, if you like the traditional roll down better, and we will talk soon.